How to mask the area within the field of view of a Pelco Sabix Pro 4.0 camera. Firstly, access the camera through the web browser using the device's IP address. The web GUI will then appear. Enter the username and password. Click on the Imaging tab. Click on Window Blanking at the top on the left. Click on Add and a red box will appear in the field of view. You can then drag and drop this box to the desired location on the screen. Hold the bottom right corner to resize the box to cover the entire required area. You can add and deploy multiple privacy zones on the screen. Just press Add to create a new box. If you wish to remove a privacy zone, just select it from the list in the bottom left corner and press Remove. Once you are happy, press Apply. Confirm the positioning or removal by clicking OK. You will get a message saying Settings saved. Click the General tab at the top left and you'll see that the privacy zones are now blanked out from the field of view. And you're done. Click Log Out in the top right and exit your browser. We hope that you find this video useful. Watch out for more or go to the Mayflex YouTube channel to see more how-to videos. Please feel free to get in touch with us regarding your Motorola solutions and security requirements.